How to turn off shadow effect in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily turn off the shadow effect in T3 Arena. So without waiting much, let's get started. First things first, launch open the T3 Arena game on your device. Once you're in the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Options. Under Options, click on the Graphics option from the left. Now, once you open up the graphics setting, go to Shadow and then make sure that you tap on the Off button right next to Shadows. Once you turn the Shadow button off, go to the top and look for graphics quality and set it to basic or normal. Now right after you do that, get back to the home screen and now you've successfully turned off shadow effect in T3 Arena and optimized graphic for smoother FPS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.